Kakadosh Boker Tov. We're just continuing with Halachot, but we're just going to go to speak about the Chodesh of Nissan. We know that there's a very beautiful minhag to already start reading every single day of the first beginning. And remember, it was the inauguration of the Mishkan already starting tomorrow, which is Rosh Chodesh Nissan. And therefore, the first 12 days is actually going to be every single tribe had their Yom Tov. And therefore, since it was actually something very, very beautiful, they were actually able to see the greatness, which means there were a lot of tzaddikim. What they were able to do is that the first 12 days of the month were actually in parallel to the 12 months, which means that the first day of Nisan, they were able to see everything that was going to happen in the month of Nisan. Second day, everything that was going to happen in the month of Iyar. Third day, everything that was going to happen in continuing going, because it was such a powerful time during these first 12 days. The 13th day is the last one, which is the Isru Chag, and that's why we know that the majority of them, we don't actually do any tacharunim. That in itself is already showing us the greatness of what it is, the month of Nisan, besides the Geulah that happened on Pesach, but just the entire month in itself, when we had the inauguration of the Mishkan, and then every single day we read Parashat HaNesim. So starting already from tomorrow, we already start from before Tana Dev Eliyahu, we're going to read the Parashat of the Nesim of that day, which that's going to be the first important part. We know also that Rosh Chodesh Nisan is actually Rosh Hashanah for the Melachim, for the Regalim, and the Gaon Mivilna actually says that it's considered a Yom Tov, so therefore it's actually a happy occasion on Rosh Chodesh. Now it's more than that also, according to a lot of Shittot, it's also Yom Briat HaOlam. There's a difference of opinion over there, exactly what does that mean, but that's also going to be another thing, that the world was created, whether it's going to be Rosh Chodesh Tishri or whether it's going to be Rosh Chodesh of Nisan. The last halacha is going to be Birkat HaIlanot. So therefore, Bli Neder will be in touch showing, first of all, we're going to have to find a proper place of doing Birkat HaIlanot, and then we're going to tell everybody that already when it starts Rosh Chodesh Nisan, from then onwards, we come and we start doing Birkat HaIlanot, which is blessing HaKadosh Baruch Hu on the beautiful things which are surrounding us, which are going to be the trees. Obviously, there's a lot of Kabbalistic concepts also behind that as well, but that's what we're going to be doing. So Bezat Hashem, already starting from tomorrow, which is already going to be besides Rosh Chodesh, it's like a Yom Tov, and it's a very important time because remember, Benisan Nigalu, Benisan Atidim Ligael, so therefore we have to pay a lot of attention to Geulah and to the redemption, but also it's a Yom Tov going from then onwards, that way there's no Tacharunim throughout the entire month of Nisan, and we should pay attention to all our prayers, Bezat Hashem, that they should be answered. Amen.